Welcome to a DVD presentation of the discussion guide for the 2012 Education Priority of the Diocese of Rochester's Public Policy Agenda. This year, we are focusing on the common good, an essential element of Catholic social teaching, and one that is especially critical in the current American circumstance. This is a discussion guide to help groups of Catholics talk about the current socio-economic situation in our communities with the insights gained from our Christian faith and Catholic social teaching. What are important are the discussions and the reinvigoration of our commitment to Christian principles. There will always be diversity in the political and policy responses to such issues. As Catholics, we are called to engage in these discussions with insights drawn from our Christian faith, rather than necessarily to end up agreeing on specific solutions. This discussion guide proceeds in a stepwise fashion. First, information will be presented on various topics, and then the DVD will be paused to allow those participating to respond to some general questions. We will use those responses to build the next section. Let's begin. Let's briefly take a look at the path ahead of us today. First, we will listen to a brief overview of some principles of our Christian faith and some central tenets of our Catholic social teaching that follow from that faith. We will then pause for a discussion of some of the implications of Catholic social teaching for our vocation as Christians in 21st century America. What are we called to be and do in light of our faith and Catholic social teaching? After some material is presented on those questions, we will pause again for a discussion of our current American socio-economic situation. We will take a break after some material is presented on the current situation. And finally, we will focus on how we can live out our Christian call within these current conditions. I know it seems like a lot to do in a short time, but view our time together as the beginning of a process rather than reaching some definite conclusion.